Good morning, my dear student. Today we have teach you first paper वेक्टर एनालिसिस. ठीक है. फर्स्ट यूनिट्स में आज अपन स्टार्ट करेंगे न्यूटन्स लॉज ऑफ मोशंस. ठीक है. न्यूटन्स लॉज ऑफ मोशंस. न्यूटन्स लॉज ऑफ मोशंस. Unit first, Newton's laws of motions. You know that there are three laws, but now I have told you first introductions. ठीक है. You know that scientist Galileo practically found that external force is change the direction of moving body. External force change the direction of moving body, but no force is acting on the velocity. No force is acting on the velocity. This concept of external force, external force studied together by Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton and formulated the three laws. You know that Newton's we have to consider three laws, first, second and third. Accordingly, when external force acts on the body, the body changes its state. फोर्स अप्लाई करेंगे अपन तो बॉडी ये स्टेट से आगे चला जाएगा. ठीक है. द बॉडी चेंजेस इज स्टेट. दिस फोर्स ऑफ मोशन वाज स्टडीड बाय द न्यूटन्स. एक्सटर्नल फोर्स ऑफ मोशन स्टडीड बाय द न्यूटन्स. ठीक है. नाउ यू हैव टू फर्स्ट डिस्कस न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ मोशंस. Newton's first law motions. Newton's first law motions. When external force means when no external force acts on the body. Suppose ये body है, when no external force acts on the body, then that body remains in states or rest. Means suppose ये body है, अपन उसको force अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे तो ये अपनी जगह पे रहेंगे. ठीक है. When no external force acts on the body remains in states, means original states or uniform motion in straight lines. That is there is no change in velocity. There is no change in velocity unless the external force acts on it. क्योंकि वहां पर हम फोर्स अप्लाई नहीं कर रहे, इसलिए उसकी वेलोसिटी भी चेंज नहीं होगी. ठीक है. मैथमेटिकली if F is equal to 0, then change of velocity dv is equal to 0 or dv by dt is equal to 0. Rate of change of velocity means acceleration. Therefore, acceleration is equal to 0, ठीक है। f is equal to 0, therefore dv is equal to 0 or rate of change of velocity dv by dt is equal to 0 or this is a acceleration a is equal to 0, ठीक है। Also first law of motion is called as inertia. First law of motion is called as inertia. 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 What is inertia? OE. The natural tendency of body not change. The natural tendency of body not to change its original state. बॉडी चेंज नहीं हो रही ना, वही अपन डिस्कस करें फर्स्ट न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशन। द नेचुरल टेंडेंसी ऑफ बॉडी नॉट टू चेंज इट्स ओरिजिनल स्टेट्स अनलेस यू एक्सटर्नल फोर्स अप्लाई नहीं हो रहा हो, एक्सटर्नल फोर्स अप्लाई नहीं हो रहा हो वहां पे, ठीक है। इसलिए ओरिजिनल स्टेट पे इसका लिमिटेशन क्या है? द न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशन टेल्स दैट अबाउट बॉडी आइदर एट रेस्ट और इन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन बट नॉट state of the body, ठीक है। this is Newton's first law of motion. Now you have to discuss Newton's second law of motion. 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 You know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. But how? F is equal to ma. But how? The rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the impressed force, and direction is that of impressed force. Means mathematically you have to know that rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the impressed force F proportional to dp by dt, ठीक है। where p is the momentum of the particles, where p is the momentum of the particles, ठीक है। where p is the momentum of the particles, but proportionality constant is the unity. Proportionality constant is the unity. Therefore F is equal to dp by dt. You know that momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Therefore d by dt is equal to mass into velocity or m into dv by dt. Rate of change of velocity, this is nothing but acceleration. m into a, this is a m is equal to m into a. m is a constant, ठीक है। Therefore f proportional to a or f proportional to dv by dt, ठीक है। if f is equal to 0, therefore acceleration is equal to 0. This is nothing but the Newton's first law of motions, ठीक है। this is nothing but the Newton's first law of motions, ठीक है। इसलिए अपन कहते हैं न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशन इज द nothing but the second law of motion. Thus the Newton's first law of motion is nothing but the Newton's second law of motions, ठीक है। F is equal to m into a. Next the third law of motions. Newton's third law of motions क्या है? Newton's third law of motion, for every action there is a reaction which is equal and opposite direction, which is equal in magnitudes but opposite in directions. Therefore for every action there is a reaction which is equal in magnitude, but opposite in direction. ठीक है, you have to consider force F bar 1 2 is the force acting by the first body on the second body. F bar 1 2 is the force acting by the first body on the second body, that is action. And then F bar 21 is the force acting by the second body on the first body, that is reaction. Therefore F bar 1 2 is equal to minus F bar 21. Mathematically you have to write F bar 1 2 is equal to minus F bar 21. Newton's third law of motions. For every action there is a reactions. ठीक है? This is a Newton's three laws, first, second and third. Next lecture you have to discuss transfers of velocity, means radial and velocity components. ठीक है? Thank you.